Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening the notifications pane. First, make sure the device has charge and a network connection so changes sync. Once done, swipe to open Control Center and verify airplane mode, and any focus or Do Not Disturb modes are off so alerts can appear. Then go directly to Settings right arrow Notifications. This screen is where you'll enable banners, sounds, and badges per app. So we're setting the stage to restore real-time alerts. Now you'll dive into app-level controls to restore notifications. Tap an app in Notifications and toggle Allow Notifications on. That reopens the channel. Next, select where alerts appear, Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners, and pick Banner Style Persistent if you keep missing alerts. Make sure sounds and badges are enabled to provide audio and icon cues. Also, adjust Show Previews to Always or when unlocked so you can read quick info. These steps fix most app-specific silence. Finish by performing a quick system check so changes take effect. Restart the iPhone, then confirm iOS is current in settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update because bugs can mute alerts. If problems persist, reset network settings or reset all settings to clear hidden conflicts. Note this keeps your data but restores defaults. As a last resort, check app-specific permissions, sign out, and reinstall the app. If nothing helps, try toggling focus modes again while testing notifications after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.